A poem. Original, obviously. It's called The View from Halfway Down. The weak breeze whispers nothing. The water screams sublime. His feet shift, teeter-totter. Deep breath, stand back, it's time. Toes untouch the overpass. Soon he's waterbound. Eyes locked shut but peak to see. The view from halfway down. I'm not done. Hold on. I'm not done. A little wind, a summer sun, a river rich and regal. A flood of fond endorphins brings a calm that knows no equal. You're flying now. You see things much more clear than from the ground. It's all okay. It would be. Were you not now halfway down? Thrash to break from gravity. What now could slow the drop? All I'd give for toes to touch the safety back at top. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I don't want to...
It's okay.
But this is it. The deed is done. Silence drowns the sound. Before I leaped, I should have seen the view from halfway down. No, I really should have thought about the view from halfway down.
Find your peace, big guy. Find it.
I wish I could have known about the view from halfway down.
The View from Halfway Down. Poem ni gikan sa salida nga Bojack Horseman. Sa poem, nag-regret siya sa iyahang desisyon. Naka-realize siya nga dili tumaw ang solution. Nag-regret siya and gusto unta siya makasurvive sa fall sa ubos. Ang point aning poem is not that killing yourself is the solution to life's problems. It's that life is something worth holding on to even at the worst of the time. Because you never know if it will get better or worse if you're not around to live it. Straight ang English ato kay nakuha rato nako sa YouTube nga comment. Hi there, French Fry Guy here. Kung wala pa kitag Bojack Horseman, tanaw na karon agpas kay dagan kay kag matun-an ani nga salida kay grabe ka real life ug serious kaayo. About siya sa isa ka kabayo nga grabe ka selfish, self-destructive, narcissistic, toxic ug negative nga bisag kinsa mo ana sa iyang life kay makasala siya sa ila.
I don't know how to be, Diane. Doesn't get better and it doesn't get easier. I can't keep lying to myself, saying I'm gonna change. I'm poison.
Bojack.
I come from poison. I have poison inside me, and I destroy everything I touch. That's my legacy. I have nothing to show for the life that I've lived, and I have nobody in my life who's better off for having known me.
Bantog kabayo iyang karakter, kay long og face, meaning sad siya per me. Ma-depressed siya huna-huna nga gusto gid kayo siya magbag-o, ma-change, mag-make na og good choices. Pero somehow, makakommit yapon siya bad choices.
Todd, I'm sorry, all right? I screwed up. I know I screwed up. I don't know
great.
why.
Of course. Here it comes. You can't keep doing this. You can't keep doing shitty things and then feel bad about yourself like that makes it okay. You need to be better.
I know, and I'm sorry, okay? I was drunk, and there was all this pressure with the Oscar campaign. But now that it's over,
No, Bojack, just stop. You are all the things that are wrong with you. It's not the alcohol or the drugs or any of the shitty things that happened to you in your career or when you were a kid. It's you. All right? It's you. Fuck, man. What else is there to say?
Ganahan kaayo ko ani nga salida kay bright kaayo siya tan-awon pero dark kaayo og meaning behind. It's about self-improvement, to be better, ug magbag-o.
Hey, Tanisha?
Bojack? I was thinking about what you said.
Yeah, stop doing that. Nobody should be thinking about the things that I say.
I love Karen, but does she complete me?
Tanisha, nobody completes anybody. That's not a real thing. If you're lucky enough to find someone you can halfway tolerate, you sink your nails in and you don't let go, no matter what.
So what? I should just settle?
Yes, thank you. Exactly, settle. Because otherwise, you're just going to get older and harder and more alone. And you're going to do everything you can to fill that hole with friends and your career and meaningless sex, but the hole doesn't get filled. And one day, You're gonna look around and you're gonna realize that everybody loves you, but nobody likes you. And that is the loneliest feeling in the world.
So kung sad ka karon, we might sink today, pero moabutan ng adlaw nga dili na. Do the little things that will make you come alive.
It gets easier.
Huh?
Every day it gets a little easier.
Yeah?
But you gotta do it every day. That's the hard part. But it does get easier.